Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to use ads on LinkedIn. Firstly, visit linkedin.com/campaign manager and sign in with your LinkedIn account. Create an ad account, then choose currency plus company page. Now, create a new campaign by clicking create, then campaign, then choose a campaign group or use the default one, as simple as that. Now, to choose your campaign objective, pick what you want your ad to achieve: awareness for brand awareness, consideration like website visits, engagement, video views, and conversion for leads, website conversions, and job applicants. Now, to set your target audience, choose who you will see your ad, like location, job title, role, company or industry, skills, interests, seniority, education. Now select the type of ad, if it's a single image ad, video ad, carousel, message ads, lead gen forms, or event ads. Daily budget or lifetime budget for setting your budget and schedule. Set a start date and choose bidding, manual or automated. Now, add headline, description, destination URL, image or video or call to action, and preview your ad on mobile and desktop, and when you're done, click launch campaign. LinkedIn will review it, usually a few minutes. Now go back to campaign manager and monitor impressions, clicks, CPC, CPM, leads or conversion, and you can pause, edit or duplicate campaigns anytime. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.